Hello and welcome to ERi-TV Evening News for April 11, 2024. I am Salim Rahana. Here are stories making headlines. Vocational training conducted for youth in Tsarona subzone. Extensive developmental popular campaign. US and Japan announce most significant upgrade to military alliance. Russia launched first Angara A5 space rocket from Far East Cosmodrome. The National Union of Eritrean Youth and Students branch in Tsarona subzone has provided vocational training to 68 youth, including 32 females. The 3-month training encompasses water pump maintenance, computer technology, beauty salon skills, among others. At the conclusion event of the training on 2nd of April, Mr. Abraham Tesfamaram, head of the union branch in the subzone, stated that the training program was part of the ongoing effort to enhance the overall capacity of the youth and empower them to improve their livelihoods. Highlighting the positive outcomes from past training programs on the lives of the youth, Mr. Abraham expressed that similar initiatives will be organized in the future. In addition, the Indamas Award was presented to 17 outstanding students in Tsarona subzone who achieved a high score in the 8th grade national examination. Extensive developmental popular campaign are currently underway in the subzones of Atekelezan and Elaborate, with robust participation from the residents. Mr. Tesfaldet Gebrebrahan, the head of the Agriculture Office in Atekelezan subzone, reported that the popular campaign, which commenced in January, encompasses the construction of terraces, water diversion schemes, and land preparation for cultivation. Similar popular campaigns are also taking place in the administrative areas of She'eb Seleba and Debrecina Elaborate subzone. According to reports, in Debrecina administrative area, 7 kilometers of dirt road has been renovated and over 1,100 meters of water diversion schemes have been constructed. In She'eb Seleba administrative area, approximately 20,000 meters of terraces and over 10,000 cubic meters of water diversion schemes have been built. The administrators of these administrative areas, applauding the residents' active participation in the popular campaign, have called for enhanced involvement in future campaigns. The Education Office in Logo-Ansaba subzone has successfully concluded its Cultural and Sports Week held in Meqerka administrative area. Spanning from April 5th to April 8th, the week-long event saw the participation of approximately 600 junior and high school students alongside their teachers. The diverse program includes sport competition alongside showcase of innovation and creativity such as painting, dance performance, drama enactment, poetry recitals, short story presentations, and debates, among other activities. The organizers highlighted the event's vibrant spirit and competitive edge, praising the Education Office for its efforts in organizing such an engaging program. They emphasized the event's crucial role in fostering talent discovery among students, urging the continuation of this valuable initiative. The culmination of the week was marked by an award ceremony where winners in various categories were honored for their achievements. We are live on ERi-TV. Stay tuned for international news. Joe Biden and Fumio Kishida meet at Washington summit focus on China's threat in Indo-Pacific. The US and Japan plan to modernize their military command and control structures in what President Joe Biden said was the most significant upgrade to their alliance since it was created decades ago. Speaking alongside Japanese Prime Minister Fumio Kishida at a news conference yesterday, Biden said the allies were taking significant steps to ensure their militaries could work together in seamless and effective way. The U.S. president added that the two countries had transformed their relationship into a truly global partnership over the past 3 years, and that the alliance now served as a beacon to their entire world. Kishida is visiting Washington for a historic summit that is designed to bolster the robust U.S.-Japan alliance as the nation become increasingly concerned about what they view as threat from China. In a joint statement released after the press conference, the leaders said Biden had confirmed the U.S.-Japan Mutual Defense Treaty included nuclear capabilities and applied to the Senkaku Island in the East China Sea that are administered by Japan but claimed by China. Referring to recent aggressive activity by China's Coast Guard towards the Philippines at the second Thomas Shoal, a contested reef in the Spratly Island, the leaders said they strongly oppose an attempt to change the status quo by force or coercion. Russia today test-launched its ERi-A5 space rocket for the first time from the Vostoky Cosmodrome in the Far East, successfully putting a test load in low orbit as part of an effort to develop a new post-Soviet launch vehicle. The test launch of the ERi-A5, Russia's first post-Soviet space rocket, was aimed at underscoring Moscow's ambition to be a major space power and the growing importance of Vostoky, situated in the forest of the Amur region of Russia's Far East. But two launches of the ERi rocket were aborted at the very last minute on both Tuesday and Wednesday due to a malfunction of the pressurizing system and a problem with the engine launch control system. To the relief of the Russian space officials, they were third-time lucky today, just hours before Russia celebrates Cosmonauts Day, marking the day 63 years ago that the Soviet Union's Yuri Gagarin became the first man in outer space. Russia began the ERi project a few years after the 1991 breakup of the Soviet Union as a Russian-made launch vehicle that would ensure access to space even without the Baikonur Cosmodrome, which Russia rents from Kazakhstan. Before we go, we have a quick recap of the top stars. Vocational training provided for youth in Tsorona subzone. Extensive developmental popular campaign underway. US and Japan announced most significant upgrade to military alliance. Russia launched first ERi-A5 space rocket from Far East Cosmodrome. And that wraps up our news broadcast for this evening. Thank you for being with us.